After Windows Defender turned off, so connected. Okay, okay, okay. Windows Defender is off. So open. Uh, you can download from their website. No, smfw.com FRP tool. So you can download very easily. Okay. So now what we do? There is many option. So we will go on there. Okay. 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 So press remove FRP is removing. Okay, is now what we do. Oh, press OK. Go back, go back, go back, go back. So emergency, press emergency star. So don't worry about that, star 0 star hash. So now press FRP. So now you will see him here. So now you will see OK. So now you need to say allow. Okay, now is removing FRP. You can see here. Waiting for device. Removing. Yeah, it's now is done. So now phone will be restart automatically after a few seconds. Now you will see here. I can't go menu anything. Restart. You see, is restarting. After restart is going done. This is job totally five, not 5 minutes, even 3 minute total. 3 minutes. It's total procedure is take 3 minutes. We go on setting, we turn off our defender, we do total overall is take 10 minutes. Mine, I download software same fw.com. I download that software, then I install my PC, then I turn off my defender. So total take 10 minutes. So you can do it at home very easily. So let's see. Now you can connect my cable. You can see here. So as you see, you don't need to do setup anything. It's already set up. Everything is done. So here you can see my Wi-Fi is connect automatically. That one you see. You can see here my Wi-Fi is connected. So let's see which Android version is A10 software. So Android 10. So now you will go on setting, reset, battery percentage 35, reset, 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 factory data reset, reset all, delete all. So you see now is phone in our hand. Is mean now is everything is done. So please like this video if this video help you, and subscribe my channel for other videos, for more videos.